Yo.
He doesn't speak English.
Oh, he doesn't?
No.
He's laying down on the rock. Oh, no. He's laying down.
Oh. Jesus.
Yeah, we gotta get out of here.
Yeah, we gotta split up.
You wanna go to that tower?
You wanna run there? I'll cover you. Go ahead.
Go. Yeah, check my left side here.
Watch our heads too.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, shit. We have to split up. What do you see, Tomas? I know. How close is that rock that you said he was behind?
I think they're gone.
Where was the rock though?
On the ground, probably about 30 feet in front of us.
Roger.
Maybe further. Here.
I'd recommend peeking with your gun. Just in
I was
case.
trying to get an eagle eye. He's definitely not there. Or he's hiding.
I was gonna say, nothing's definite.
I got a guy behind the tank over here. He's out.
Really? Tank's pretty close. Just be ready to drop. We getting flanked on that side?
No.
No, okay, we got a guy there.
Oh, he's behind the big rock. Remember the big rock we were sitting behind?
Yep. Wait, the one near the train or the big one over here?
The big one in their spawn.
Where's that coming from?
Behind the tank, the big rock. He's peeking. He's too far for this, for me. He might be able to get around now. Yeah, he's peeking out behind it. You could probably hit him.
Which side of the rock? Left side?
Our left, yeah. He's wearing a blue shirt. There you go. Oh, I think you got it.
Is his hand up?
Far side.
Is he out?
Yeah, you got it. Far side, towards the right of the tank.
Right on the tank, right on the tank. On the tank!
Yes.
Wait, Tom, come down here. Now, over there, be careful, but we're both gonna shoot at him. The guy on the tank. Go. Of course I missed. Stay on that side, Tom.
Yeah.
I wouldn't look up because you got crossfire from the... You see that guy way over there?
Yeah. Yep. Shoot that.
Yeah. Tank. And snapshot. I'm gonna reload, and I'm gonna point that guy on the tank.
I think we got a guy far right now.
Here, you want some of this? A tiny little bit left.
He's running. Oh, he's out. Hit his leg.
Is that the guy that was on the tank?
Yep. Bro, you're out, bro. Saw it break on his leg. He's fucking out, man. I hit your leg!
Okay, cool. He's good.
I hit him in the leg and the shoe. I saw him flinch too, fucker.
He's out.
I got a guy far tank.
Or their tank?
Yeah.
Yo! Tank! Huh? Yeah, you can, you might want to start moving up. Like, closer to him. I think he's looking at train, so I'm gonna move up. Ah, I knew that grip tape wasn't going to work. Thank you, sir.
Was that being called?
Whatever. Probably going to fall again. See if I can Velcro it. Nope. Whatever. There's two of them. Yo, move up, guys. Move up the train. You good? Did I get you in the neck?
Well, yeah.
My bad.
No, you're good. Good shot, man. I like that. Good job. That was your shot me back in the head.
Yeah. I was aiming for body. I got both of you like a little higher than I meant.
I was like, oh shit, I forgot about you.